Hello guys, how are you doing today? It's a beautiful evening right now. As you can see, today I want to take you to where I used to be when I had no job. I'm going there to enjoy myself. So come with me and take a look at this mountain. It's a really beautiful mountain. There's a huge stone. As you can see here behind of me, there's a forest. Take a look at this. So you guys, as you're watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah. Here is a mountain. I can climb it, so take a look at this. You see, here is it's like some kids are coming here to fetch firewood to use. Now I think we are close. Oh no, it's like that way. Come with me this side. As you can see here, yeah, come up. Yeah, it's a road here. So because I'm doing this because I want to show you a really something good. I'm sure that you will enjoy it. So let me pass through this garden. Yeah. So see the beautiful maze here. Yeah, this farm is really doing a good work. Yeah. So this stone, but this is a small stone. You can see this garden here. Yeah, the maze is almost to be used. Take a look at this. Oh my God, is there? We are almost there. Almost there. So guys, as you can see, that picture representing the stones that I'm telling you, and I have told you before. I've entered this mountain. You can see the big stone. Now you can take a look at this. It's a good mountain, so you can enjoy yourself by climbing these stones. So I want to show you something. So I want to. Okay, here. It's a water tank. Take a good place. Oh, I don't know that you can see it well, but yeah, it's okay now. So there is a tour, one-on-one from Enoch. So today I'm bringing you live to this mountain where you can see yourself those stones. This is a water tank being built for water supply. So let me get closer so you can see it well. I have to climb up there. So where you can see it clearly. Here we go. Wow. Yeah. All right. As you can see, I'm higher than I can. So inside here, today is like there's no water, but you can see the pump is there. This is the stones that I'm telling you before I get up here. And now, as you can see, this mountain is a mount of stones. So that if you had some people like me, whether today is Sunday, I haven't go to work. So I have come here to enjoy myself, to do 1, 2, 3, to discuss myself, and getting a good vibe. When you sit here, you can see it's a beautiful place. You can see it's a beautiful. So this it's a tree, I don't know what I can call it. So it's like really growing. Where is some stones? You can't find it in the river, but you find it on a higher places like this. So you can see here is the stones, but behind there is that tree. You can see when you cut it off, it leaks something like milk, but is a gum, unique gum. So welcome my people, my fellow subscriber. I really enjoying this video with yours. You can see this is a good place. You can imagine when you get up there. So soon I will take you there and see the other side of this mountain, how it will appear on this camera. So come with me and take a look of it. As for this tank, I use this ladder to climb up there. So I use the same ladder to come. Yeah, here is on the other side. Now you can see the tank from upside. When I climb this, the small, as you can see down there, there's stones, big ones. So you can imagine, you can take this as your personal tour to come here and enjoy yourself. So here we go. Down there you can see some cars are passing. This is a stone. Now you can't imagine there's some big stones like that one here. You can see when I am higher than you saw. You see this camera? After that, it can really show you how high am I.